How to untag yourself on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the inbox option from the bottom of your screen and then tap on the activity option. Here you will see all the posts that you have been mentioned to. Tap on the post that you want to untag yourself from, and now if you tap on the share button, you will not see the option to untag yourself anywhere. So as of now, there is no such option to untag yourself on TikTok. However, there are a few other options such as add to story. So if you want to add to your story, then you can do it from there. However, you cannot untag yourself from TikTok as of now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.